Good morning from Camp Liberty. We are getting ready to leave for the day. And before we go, I'm going to put one of my Meshtastic nodes up outside the camp. Kind of an experiment. I do plan on building a more permanent node that's solar powered and gets power continuously through USB-C. But right now, I'm using these two nodes. And if you want to learn more about those, you can go to amp-3.net and take a look at one of our most recent preparedness blog posts where I have started to document my learning about Meshtastic. And it's a relatively new off-grid communications protocol that does not require cell or internet infrastructure. So pretty useful. The more nodes in an area, the more robust the network. So I do want to increase our network here, but I'm going to experiment with this when we're out on the road with Camp Liberty. I'm a short guy, so I got to use a little step stool. And right up there, right next to our weather station, is a little 3D printed holder for my mesh node. I'm going to put this node up there. This is a Zero Fox 3D. If you go online, this is his Nibbler 2. The little red button on the side is a GPS antenna, and the antenna on the top is a 915 megahertz antenna for the LoRa protocol, and that's long range. More about that on our blog, of course, but I made a little 3D case to put this in so it can sit up there while we're gone. All right, I'm definitely a short guy, but it's up there and a little bit of a reach for me, so I might have to get a little taller step stool in the future. But I've been doing that for the last couple of days, and this is our second node. They're both part of what I call Sisters Mesh. That's my little part of the mesh, these two nodes. The red one is SM01 or Sisters Mesh-01, and this is SM02 or Sisters Mesh-02. And I'll keep building more nodes as I get a chance to do so. Just 3D printed, which is a lot of fun. I'm a DIY guy, so this is right up my alley. And the nice thing is the boards that are inside here are very inexpensive, so pretty inexpensive to jump into if you want to start experimenting with this very useful, brand new off-grid communications protocol, Meshtastic. More on that later.
We are about open.
All right, that's where Sisters Mesh 2 goes.